Today I will briefly talk about education. Education is the backbone of our nation. As Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change all the world. Education is not just about books or exams, but about transforming society and creating opportunity. Education has no limit. Our Rabindranath Tagore said, where knowledge is limit, education becomes restrict. In our country, students, education is not good. They study only for pass exams in schools and college. Education has no limit. If we look at the other developed countries, they have given importance to the education. Education has no basis. Education is what benefits our people and the country. No nation can progress without education. Education, if we look at the villages people, they are not proper take for education. In inclusion, education has a lot of educated. We have to learn from every day. We have to prepare ourselves. That's it. Thank you very much for listening.